Looking for the perfect detached home in a family-friendly neighborhood and a rare 1.75% assumable mortgage saving you on your monthly payments? Welcome to Parkside, one of the best neighborhoods in Aldergrove. This 4-bedroom home offers an open concept living and dining area, a gorgeous kitchen featuring updated appliances, a gas range stove, and a charming built-in breakfast nook, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee. Step outside onto a covered patio and large, spacious backyard, complete with a gas hookup and fire table. Upstairs features a spacious primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and private ensuite, and 2 bedrooms perfect for kids or guests. Bonus, this home features a double-car garage plus a long driveway, offering plenty of room for additional vehicles. Walking distance to schools, shopping, parks, and the revitalized downtown Aldergrove, which features the new Aldergrove Town Center development, new businesses that are moving in and being enjoyed by locals, and the Aldergrove Community Center, built in 2018, featuring a covered outdoor pool, water parks, slides, and hockey rink. I'm Victoria Mejia with Royal LePage Wollstonecroft, and I'm proud to showcase this home.